Welcome to our Phoenix Test Kitchen for day 4 of our 12 Days of Christmas recipes from Chef Daina. Today we're making roasted Brussels sprouts with pomegranate seeds and a little bit of balsamic vinegar glaze. Join us tomorrow for a chicken broccoli Christmas wreath. So we're going to get started by using our Colorado Mills sunflower oil, and we're just going to drizzle that on our pan just so we can coat the pan just a little bit. And then we're going to take our Brussels sprouts, which I have already cut in half, and we're going to kind of toss those around in our oil that we put on the pan. And then we are going to put in a little bit of garlic, just some chopped up garlic. Just kind of toss that on here. And then last but not least, we want, ooh, I almost dropped that. Our S&P, little salt and pepper. All right, so now that we have tossed these good, they are good and coated in the oil. It's okay if some of the leaves fall off because you want them to get nice and crispy in the oven. That just adds to the color. So we're gonna put these in our Alto Shaam Combi for about 10-15 minutes, and we'll be back in just a minute. So now we have our roasted Brussels sprouts. We are going to add in some bacon and some pomegranate seeds and some Parmesan cheese. And we're just going to toss these. And these will look and taste delicious on our Christmas dinner.